What is up? What is going on? Arvind here, and welcome to Driven to Draw. I know it's been a long time, and the big question is, where have I been? Well, the short answer is I got burnt out. That's not a good thing, 'cause then the joy of it goes away. So I took a step back. I tell you what, it was just crazy. The schedule was just completely nuts. So for a guy like me who is working full time and you've got two young boys at home and you want to spend time with them, I've found that spending all my time creating these videos, interacting with the community and all those wonderful things which I really do enjoy doing, I felt that something else was being lost. Part of that was really spending enough time with my family, my wife and my kids, and doing a lot of things that I enjoy with them, like even drawing. My youngest kid is only 10 years old. He's shaping up to be a really good artist. He loves to draw. Now I gotta say, for a 10-year-old, that's pretty good. Attaboy, I'm so proud of you. And the same thing with my eldest son, who is good at drawing and he loves building things and he loves 3D printing. And I really started to think about the creative side and the things that I was doing. The other thing for me was I started to get kind of bored just doing all the automotive stuff. Naturally, with my kids' influence, I started to draw a lot of different things like a gorilla. So at the end of the day, what does this all mean and where is this all going to head? Am I going to be producing any more video tutorials, all that other good stuff that you guys have been learning on this channel? Well, the short answer is yeah and no. What is he talking about? So where do we go from here? We're going to talk about stress. We're going to talk about anxiety, and we're going to talk about using drawing as a mechanism to combat stress and anxiety. I mean, let's face it, we all deal with our own kind of stress. Drawing is an excellent way of combating stress. So in addition to stress reduction, I'm going to be covering a lot of different kind of technique-based drawing skills, different kind of exercises that are not only going to help your drawings look better, but also bring you a sense of calm. One of the things I really found out is that drawing is incredibly meditative. If anyone has really absorbed themselves in the act, in that process of drawing, you are so engrossed into that whole exercise that you kind of lose yourself. So in these last couple of years, I've really enjoyed the process of exploring so many different types of new things, drawing something different, drawing something new, learning from my kids, and having them inspire me to kind of learn something new. Because when you're working with them, they don't want to see the stuff that you're doing. They want you to draw the things that they like. So I really learned to cultivate a habit of just enjoying the process of just drawing in general, which is really why I call the channel Driven to Draw. So in addition to the free video tutorials I'm going to have on my channel, I'm going to also start offering some premium tutorials for people who really want a focused curriculum that they can follow to help them become a better artist. So at the end of the day, I'm just going to have fun, and I'm just hoping that you'll be there along with me and we can kind of learn together. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. I missed you. I hope you missed me. Glad to be back. Let's go make some art. Just visiting here for the channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.